Section 1. Introduction. Embracing the cloud revolution. The cloud. It's everywhere, isn't it? In simple terms, cloud computing is about accessing computing services, servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more, over the internet. These services are offered by providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. The beauty of the cloud lies in its flexibility and scalability. Businesses can scale resources up or down as needed, paying only for what they use. This on-demand model eliminates the need for hefty upfront investments in physical infrastructure. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we entrust more of our data and applications to the cloud, ensuring their security becomes paramount. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a secure cloud journey. Section 2. Data control, the heart of cloud security. Data is the lifeblood of many businesses today. When transitioning to the cloud, understanding how your data is stored, accessed, and secured is critical. The first step is encryption. Encrypting data at rest and in transit is fundamental to cloud security. It renders your data unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Next, we have data residency and sovereignty. Different countries have different regulations regarding data storage and access. Cloud providers offer various regions and zones to comply with these regulations. Data backup and recovery are also crucial. Cloud providers typically offer robust backup and disaster recovery solutions. However, it's essential to have a clear understanding of these policies to ensure business continuity. Section 3. Access control, guarding the cloud gates. Imagine your cloud infrastructure as a fortress. Data control is about securing the walls and the treasure within. Access control is about guarding the gates, controlling who enters and what they can access. This is achieved through various mechanisms. Identity and Access Management, IAM, is the cornerstone of access control in the cloud. It allows you to create and manage users and groups, assigning them specific permissions to access cloud resources. Think of it as a digital bouncer, verifying identities and granting access based on predefined rules. Next, we have multi-factor authentication, MFA. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of authentication. Role-based access control, RBAC, takes a more granular approach. Instead of assigning permissions to individual users, RBAC assigns them to roles. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and VPNs act as barriers, filtering traffic and preventing unauthorized access. Section 4. The shared responsibility model, a partnership for security. Cloud security is not a one-sided coin. It's a shared responsibility between the cloud provider and the customer. This is often referred to as the shared responsibility model. The cloud provider is responsible for the security of the cloud, including the physical infrastructure and the underlying network. The customer is responsible for the security of the cloud, including securing the operating systems, applications, and data. This encompasses tasks like configuring firewalls, managing user access, and encrypting data. The shared responsibility model emphasizes that security is a joint effort. By understanding and fulfilling their respective roles, customers and cloud providers can create a secure and compliant cloud environment. Section 5. Real-world examples, data breaches and lessons learned. The importance of data and access control in the cloud is often best illustrated through real-world examples. One such example is the Capital One data breach of 2019, where a misconfigured web application firewall allowed an attacker to gain access to sensitive data of over 100 million customers. Another example is the Equifax data breach of 2017, where a failure to patch a known vulnerability led to the exposure of personal information of over 147 million people. These incidents highlight the devastating consequences of inadequate data and access control measures. They underscore the importance of implementing robust access control mechanisms and maintaining a strong security posture in the cloud. By learning from these past mistakes, organizations can strengthen their defenses and protect their valuable data. Section 6. Conclusion. Navigating the future of cloud security. The cloud is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality. As businesses continue to embrace cloud computing, understanding and implementing robust data and access control measures is paramount. It's not just about protecting data, it's about safeguarding your business, your reputation, and your customers' trust. Remember that security is a journey, not a destination. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning, adaptation, and a proactive approach to security. By understanding the principles of data and access control, partnering with your cloud provider, and staying vigilant, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of cloud computing.